So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. Yesterday, right, and for the week we did weekly analysis on our gold and prediction we did for the day also, which is for the night. I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a bullish move for the day. That was our prediction, and as you can see, gold eventually gave us a bullish move. So, and I told you guys clearly that bullish move will definitely break above this our neckline. This is exactly what market has done. Gold has given us that bullish move that we predicted it to give us, and it has broken the neckline that we said it will break. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are not yet subscribed, make sure you do that, because if you trade gold, you would need more quality updates, right? All you just need to do is subscribe so you would not miss out on more updates. Now, for the day, we will be expecting gold to push up further and close bullish for us for today, which is up for Tuesday. So Tuesday movement on gold will be a bullish move, right? We'll be expecting gold to actually give us a bullish move. Now take a look at this movement, guys. This is your high, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. You can see that market has pushed up to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this high. So we will be expecting market to give us an higher low and then another bullish move that will form a new higher high. So for day trader, right, expect an higher low to play out before you go in for the buy that will form a new higher high. So above all, a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on gold. Now, if there will be any changes to this moment that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on those updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.